Use plasticine to make a pencil stand upright. Put 2 ring magnets on the pencil. How can you make one of the ring magnets float on the other? Use plasticine to fix one end of a string on the bench. And tie the other end to a paper clip. Put a magnet near the paper clip. Can you make the clip float in the air?